This is Biotronix PEMT loop therapy, deep oscillation magnetotherapy device. You can see this is Pulsed Electromagnetic Therapy device, loop type. You can see these are the attachments as a loop. You can see the quality of the product. They are quite heavy duty. These are the loop that you have to wear when I am wearing on the shoulder and on the back side, on the knee also there are attachment. You can see these are the attachment for the knee. For both for knee, these are the attachments. So these are quite heavy duty device, and this is the box for the attachment. You can see this is the box for the attachment where you put both the loops, and this is the device. This is a compact device that can be folded and can be carried as a suitcase. And you can see these are the two fans. These are the main board, fuse, switch, and I have already plugged in the loop in the same. I have plugged in the loop, and this is the panel where you can adjust the intensity 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 level you can adjust the intensity. This is the magnetic therapy in the loop, and the treatment is provided in the loop form. So this is the, you can set 2 Hz, 4 Hz, 6 Hz, 8 Hz, and multiple frequency. In the multiple frequency it will vary, and if you set 2 Hz, 4 Hz, 6 Hz, then you will get the output of that frequency. And timer you can select 5 to 10. So this is quite a heavy duty device. You can carry the same as a briefcase too, like this. And these are having also wheels at the back side, and this is the handle to carry the same. The device is magneto, so it will be quite heavy weight, like you can see. As this is a magneto and have the magnetron inside the same. And thank you for watching. So this is the device.